Okay, I'm going to bring you some easy to grow fruit trees that I've been growing this past year. And when I'm saying easy for me is because I don't have to do a lot with them. Okay, any fruit tree that I don't have to constantly mess with, it's just easy for me as a beginning fruit tree gardener. So hopefully they make it through the winter time, but so far these trees have not given me any problem. Right here we have the lychee, and that's the sweetheart lychee. Some call it lychee or whatever, however you want to pronounce it. Right? I got this little setup because in the summertime she just did not like a lot of sun. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and bring it on over here, and this is my Logan. Now she did give me some fruits. So Logan, she is a grafted fruit tree, and so was the lychee, and she gave me fruits, and look at her go. So I've had her for, this is going on the second or third year, I'm not really sure. But anyway, she started off in a pot and she was a stick. And then around March of this year, I threw her in the ground, and look at her. She also gave us fruits. Okay. Then we're going to come right on over here. This is the star apple, the kamito. And this one right here is a seedling. And look at her go. And then this is her brother, kamito. So this one's a purple kamito right here. And this is in a 27-gallon pot. And this right here is in the ground, and it's a seedling. Okay, I am in zone 9B, Central Florida. And I consider myself like a easy fruit tree gardener, which I mean is, since I am a beginning fruit tree gardener, I'm trying to make sure I get trees that I don't have to deal with and mess with constantly, right? So here we are with the Dwarf Hawaiian star fruit again, and she's fruiting again. And I don't know if this is the second or third time, but I know she just continuously going. You just look at her. And just this spring, she was like looking like a stick, and she's just fruiting like crazy. So she's easy growing. And then we're going to come over here, and we have the red Joba Jakata. She's in a 27-gallon pot. And we got the grape one, and she's in a 16-gallon pot. Okay, so basically I'm just bringing this to you. I go for easy fruit tree growing, fruit trees that I don't have to mess with constantly, you know, like the loquat right there. And of course, you know I love my miracle fruit trees right here. Okay, so these are just basically easy growing fruit trees. I didn't have any problems with them, and it's still giving me some. Every once in a while I see one here. So I haven't had any problems with them. Basically, I just sit them out here and I go on with my business. And that's what I'm trying to do in my garden. I'm trying to make sure I get trees that can actually handle themselves. A couple of trees I will have to take care of as far as covering, but I'm trying to make sure that majority of them I will not have to take care of. So the ones that I will have to take care of and covering is usually the ice cream mango right here. So that's one I will have to take care and cover. Now, last year I didn't cover her. I forgot to cover her, and it didn't affect her. The cold did not affect her whatsoever. She is the oldest mango tree I have, so she's going in about 3.5 years old. She is a grafted tree. So I'm talking about I had her for 3.5 years. I'm quite sure she's obviously older than that. So, you know, this is called easy fruit tree gardening. So basically, you know, you have to have time for your other obligations. You know, you're in relationships, you have children, you have work, and you don't want to be fighting with fruit trees. So when you're a beginning fruit tree gardener, try to find fruit trees that's easy for you to grow, okay? So that you're not stressed out and you're enjoying your gardening experience. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell, and please subscribe. And, you know, give me a couple of likes there. That'll help me. Give me a couple of likes, letting me know that you appreciate this content so I can bring some more content to you. And do remember, I have added on variety channels, so I will be bringing some more variety to you. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.